My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Audi A4. This vehicle has done just under 81,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. You also have automatic headlights and automatic wipers. On the screen, we can get access to car, sound, radio, media, telephone and navigation, map, Audi Connect, Audi smartphone, and settings. If you put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.